Wiki-How, the website with how-to articles for anything possible on this planet. So what would happen if you hit the random article button and had to follow through with whatever article you landed on? This is How to Follow Through.
You ever heard the slang, what's the T?
Yeah.
T-E-A?
Yeah.
That's stupid. And so I was talking to a girl and I'm like, that just doesn't make sense. And she said, a lot of people use that phrase. And I was like, actually, I hang out with a lot of cool people and nobody says that.
How to follow through. We're back here again to try another time because last time was a complete success. So we're here, we're going to click the random article button again and see what else we can try to do. Okay? You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
And hit the button and go. That's kind of a bummer.
Oh
no! Look at
this is torture.
I thought that was a tear, but it was
yes, they drew it with like the most tearful eyes. Okay, this is the good one. This isn't entirely impossible.
We can go find some scumbag at the middle school and just show them what's up.
Show your teen the consequences. Look, that
Call the cops on your son.
No, this is your son. This is the kid that is getting arrested in front of him, and you're like, look, that's what could happen to you.
Okay.
Impose a punishment, like no money or half money.
Or just give him Monopoly money.
Yeah, what?
This is the one.
This is the one. My guests are getting bored.
Oh.
Wild.
That'd be
wild.
crazy.
This shit is wild. Oh no, that's what it's called. That's the parenthesis.
Yeah.
Wake into. I thought they were like putting it in to like
Oh.
make people like click on it.
By the way, this is wild.
Practice dream recall. Encourage yourself to remember your dreams by writing them down.
I do that.
Enter your dream. It's that easy. ladies
Jeez.
and gentlemen.
I don't
Yeah.
think it's that.
You enter your dream by running up the stairs violently. Oh my god. Relax into it.
Welcome sleep
Relax into
paralysis.
the demons.
Oh my god.
What is happening? Float, sink, or sit up out of your body?
That's what I was talking about.
How is this
When you
how-to?
know-
Are we doing this?
No.
I don't know how we do that.
We can't do this. Hey. Hey.
Why is that fucking...
You know what? I don't like
No feet.
when my feet are next to other people's feet. Oh my god!
Yo!
Wait, does it tell you step 1 masturbate?
Yeah!
I mean, yeah, I guess.
It's like, this is the picture they chose for sex.
Yeah,
and then we have
what
some
they
dude
chose
beating
for-
it.
Here's a question for you. Is it possible for a man to not have sex?
Wow, 44 people are
I
like,
didn't think this was possible. But apparently. Can I make restore my virginity? There's a myth that you can. It's not true. Sorry, buddy.
he's like, I tried.
Okay.
Reverse sex. Yep. Jared.
I
Oh
don't.
my god.
No.
Let's go. There, yes.
No.
We should do this.
No. No.
Oh,
we
God.
shouldn't do this.
We can do it anywhere.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You want to do it?
No.
Why? What if we just do it like one strip on each of us?
Yeah.
Here?
No, like our thigh or something.
You really want to do this?
It'd be entertaining. $10 and a mirror is all you need. Click it.
Well, we didn't land on this.
But it says this article is how to do it if you were a
It's
woman.
telling us.
For a man.
It is telling us.
Oh God!
Disgusting.
Why does the thing look like that?
Is that? Oh no. Yeah, you still want to do this?
What if I get an
shorts
erection
anyway.
during waxing? I was wondering this. Oh!
There's always a risk.
What?
Are you serious?
There's always a risk.
How do I get rid of hair on my... So let's go with the DIY version.
For women.
And then do it just like on our thighs.
You want to follow all these steps?
No, just the DIY.
Do your thing.
Hey.
Method 2?
Yeah.
Okay. But we're only doing method 2.
Yeah. So let's do it.
Okay. Guess we're doing it.
Alright, I'll see you guys later. This is on you.
Wait a minute.
Okay, so first step, we need to gather our materials.
What are our materials?
2 cups of sugar.
Sugar. Okay, we'll start with that. Here we go. Get sugar. I'm an idiot. It was over here the whole time.
We need 1/4 cup of lemon juice, orange juice, or vinegar. 1/4 cup of water. waxing strips or a piece of cloth / t-shirt.
My rags.
Rags, that'll work. That's cloth.
And now a stainless steel pan. Step 2 is combine the ingredients in a saucepan over high heat.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess a 4th cup of water,
Bang.
Nothing.
4th cup of lemon juice,
Hope we have enough.
2 cups of sugar? That's a lot of sugar.
Yeah. I guess that's what makes it waxy.
is that a cup?
It's half a cup.
It's a half
That's what I'm
cup.
saying. It's a lot of sugar.
Jesus, we know nothing about baking.
1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4,
Beautiful.
3.
All right, now what?
It says get it to boil and reduce to medium heat.
While
Stir occasionally. But also says watch the pot because undercooking is repairable but overcooking is not.
It's already getting gluey.
The wax should slowly turn to from a translucent to a honey brown.
Okay.
It's kind of
When you
happening.
reach this point, take it off the heat immediately.
It's turning into more of a liquid.
It's not boiling.
There's a little bit more sugar in it.
Okay, well, hold on. Let's not.
Well, we didn't measure out.
Let's not get carried away here, buddy.
Oh god.
What if we?
Fuck. What did I do?
It's the
I
sugar.
did!
You added that sugar in like halfway through.
Oh my god. This is
Oh no, Ryan.
Oh, shit. Should I put it back on the heat or?
Yeah.
Let's follow. We gotta make sure we're following the steps.
I'm pretty sure when it starts to cool, it's gonna
Harden,
harden, yeah.
but it needs to be brown.
Yeah, like a honey brown, so it is kind of getting there.
This is
I mean,
sugar.
2 cups.
I don't know if this is sugar.
What else would it be?
I think it's like that Splenda shit.
Oh no.
Sure.
Hold on. If it's,
Oh, let me see here.
taste it.
Mm.
It's not sugar?
I don't know, man.
Are you joking?
Somebody said adding honey is a good idea.
Adding actual honey.
Yeah.
The Wiki-How
Or candle wax.
Adding actual
She
wax.
says, it says needs to be darker and thicker. Add some honey or candle wax. Ha ha ha! I don't see this going well, but I mean good luck. Man,
This isn't part of the steps, but is that even? How old is that? This is cheating.
I don't think the color matters. Or does it?
Wow, that looks way more like honey now that we added honey to it.
It's supposed to look like honey?
Yeah.
Yes.
That was the whole point.
Oh yeah, look.
That's what I'm saying.
Look at it. It's just the sugar.
Oh, that's
Wow.
waxy. It's working.
So maybe we just had to let it cool the whole time.
Saying.
So this is step what? Pour it into a bowl.
Step 4.
Wait, I still need the,
Not too much.
That thing.
All right.
To test it in the water, right?
Yeah, let's do the water test.
Get this thing.
Yeah,
That's
beat
a
it. It's a bead.
That's a bead.
It's a bead.
Here, let me see.
We beat it. Just beat it.
Ooh, that was beady.
Just beat
Oh
it.
my god.
Yeah, it's beady.
I guess we made wax.
Okay. I mean, it's still like, it's thick.
After letting it cool for a few minutes, we brought the wax outside to our gorgeous outdoor patio spa retreat.
What a beautiful day to do this.
Have your leg up. And put your leg up here.
Like up here. This is sort of bootleg spa.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling horrible. Okay. This is not what I signed up for. If this is burning me, what do I? Is
It's
there a
not gonna
safe word?
burn you.
Are you sure?
Tell me if that
Oh,
burns.
okay. A little, yeah, kind of.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay,
Go, go, do it, do
Well,
it, do
needs
the
to
cloth.
dry.
Hot,
Spread it out.
hot.
Don't add
Is it
more.
really that?
Ouch, dude, it's hot.
Okay, okay. Okay, and then it just needs to dry a little bit.
Oh my god.
Rub it.
Tell me when you feel that it's dry.
How am I supposed to feel that it's dry?
I don't know.
All right, I guess we'll wait.
I say rip it off.
Is that what does it say? What does the step say?
It said to let it dry and then peel off quickly. So, are you ready?
Ready? Are you focused?
Yeah, let's pull it. Ow!
Oh my god!
It worked.
Ew.
That did hurt a little bit, and it's sticky, and it looks disgusting.
It worked though.
It
worked.
Success!
It worked?
We did it!
All right, your turn. Oh, hey, it's all sticky though. It's all honey.
We shouldn't add the honey.
We shouldn't have added the honey.
That was minimal hair. Do you think we need?
We need more hair.
Do you think we need more wax? You're saying that? All right.
I was enjoying it. Oh!
Oh my god.
It's really
that was
hot?
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard. Because all the sugar retains heat.
Okay, ready?
I shouldn't have been first.
Is it still hot?
What do you mean you shouldn't have been? I was first.
Yeah,
How hot
I said
is
I
hot?
shouldn't. Oh yeah, I wasn't first.
Yeah, what the hell?
I should have been first.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
That's a freaking.
Oh my god!
That is disgusting.
That hurt? Not really.
Well, here we go.
Cool. Ryan's turn.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's hot.
Stop moving.
Jesus, you're like, it's like you're dying.
Stop! That's so hot! It's not hot! Okay. Whew, that's better.
I told you.
God, you really went all out.
I was like, let's find something else. No, we're gonna wax each other.
Are you ready? Ready, Jared?
Yep.
I don't want to hit you.
Don't hit me then! Go that way! You hit me anyway!
Holy shit! I could hear that. That was an audible slap.
Punch me! I don't know what hurt worse, that or
Nasty.
the fucking punch.
Now we know what women go through every day.
I think maybe for better, we just need a lot more, right?
Yeah.
Let's just do the back of his neck.
Do a fade.
Let's do
Got my hair cut today.
it. We need to fix it. Get it like a good goop. Oh yeah, that's a good goop.
Oh my god, that one actually hurt. Oh my god.
Wow. I mean,
Oh
it's
my
still-
goodness!
Oh. That's There's a lot of hair gone.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow. Oh wow. What if we do like the back of your calf?
Not me.
No, him.
Back of my calf? No.
Do your calf.
This is all natural though, everybody. Just so you know, DIY. This is all natural ingredients, except for the sugar, which possibly is Splenda.
And you're really going for
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot in a big area.
Yeah.
Why
Yeah, good question.
are we doing this?
Are you ready to look pretty?
I'm gonna look so good. Homecoming dance is next week. If it's not a Brazilian, what should we call it? Like a what's lower than Brazil?
Argentina.
Is it Argentina? So this isn't really Brazilian. It's lower down. So it's like an Argentinian wax.
ready?
I'm ready.
Punch the camera.
Let's do it. Ow!
Oh, huh.
Holy shit, that hurts.
Wow.
That's a nice one.
Wow, it
Oh
looks
my
like a freaking-
goodness!
It looks, oh, it's disgusting.
Oh my god, it looks like the top of someone's head.
Stupid video. What a stupid idea. It looks like something happened to me. No, I don't want to make it even. It's really smooth though. Feel that.
Wow, that's nice.
It's really nice.
I'm texting Matt Colligan, and he's gonna come over and wax.
Does he want to?
I didn't ask him yet.
With all this extra wax that we didn't want to go to waste, I mean, we made the stuff. It was good stuff. We decided to get our friend Matt over here, and Matt really likes fishing. So in order to do that, we lied and said we were going fishing, but we weren't. We were gonna wax his legs.
Wow.
All right. So we're not fishing. We're gonna wax your legs.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm leaving.
And he's gonna show up and we're like, yeah, we're just gonna wax your leg.
He's gonna leave, I feel.
I'm leaving. No, I'm not doing that.
Come on, you're already here for the video.
No, because you deceived me.
That was the,
just told him.
that was the point.
No.
That was the fun
you
part.
deceived me.
Keep that on there. Oh, I didn't do shit.
We followed the steps, right? We made the wax, and we waxed. Not a Brazilian, but I feel like we could.
This is the closest to the Brazilian you're gonna get.
Pretty nice. How would you rate your experience
6.
on a scale of 1 to 10?
That one's
skin
beautiful.
is so smooth. Let me tell you, I can see why people do this. All right, so until next time,
Yeah.
bye everybody.
It's sticking to me. My pants.
Well, you're supposed to wipe it off before you
I
put your
did
pants
wipe it
back
off.
on.
So are we done with this stuff?
Yeah, we're done.
Give it to the dog.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Now it'll work.
Oh shit.
Oh wow, what did we make? This looks like.
Whoa.
It's like candy.
Holy shit.
We could sell this at like fairs.
Oh my god.
Add some more to it.
That looks good. No, there's so much on the sides.
But it is baby powder.
Is somebody gonna taste this?
It's baby powder. You're not gonna.
Is baby powder edible?
Sure. Just powder.
What's in it? Baby. Well, that was something. All right. Well, thank you for watching. You can subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this, some more how-to follow-throughs. Hopefully your interest isn't waning. Get it? Like waning, like waxing and waning. It's like the moon. Like, okay. All right. That's fine. All right. Bye.